Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Elfitra Mata Aulia. Will explain as well as good your pilgrim journey to the connotation. Please pay attention before our rival day of the departure. Before performing the pilgrim, we'll should know in the adventure about the pillars of the pilgrim that must be carried out by village. If a pilgrim lives or does not perform this pillar of Hajj, then this Hajj is invalid. The following are the pillar of Hajj: 1. Ihram or Hajj intention. 2. Wukuf in the Padang Arafah. 3. Top or around the Kaabah. 4. Sa'i or jogging between Safa Hill to Marwah. 5. Cutting or shaving hair. 6. Orderly. Hajj is one of the most important acts of worship for Muslims because it is a spiritual journey to visit his house. The pilgrim itself is included in the 5 pillars of Islam. Every Muslim who can abroad is obliged to perform the pilgrims. In performing the pilgrims, there are several series and conditions that must be met by pilgrims. To know how the series of Hajj from start to finish and what are the conditions, check out the following explanation. 1. Ihram or invitation. Ihram in the first series in the pilgrims begins on the night 10 of Zulhijjah every year. Pilgrim perform ihram at the same time as riding the intention of the pilgrim from the place of origin. Then all the pilgrim to shelter in the chill, the waiting from the time for wukuf in Arafah, which begin on the 19 years of Zulhijjah when the sun separated to the west to wukuf in Padang Arafah. The second series of pilgrims is wukuf in Padang Arafah, which start on the 19th years of Zulhijjah until the sun sets. 3. Mabit in Muzdalifah. After sunset, the pilgrims must leave Arafah and head to Muzdalifah for Mabit in overnight stay. The journey from Padang Arafah to Muzdalifah is a long and arduous journey that must be traversed by pilgrims while traveling. Pilgrims can less people for the next series of touring Jumrah. 4. Jumrah Aqabah. Jumrah Aqabah is held on the 10 years of Zulhijjah, where the congregation departs from Muzdalifah to Mina before sunrise to throw the Jumrah. Aqabah is many as 7 crowds. 5. Mabit in Mina. After touring the Jumrah Aqabah, the congregation returns to Mina to stay for a minimum of 2 days, namely on 11 12 Zulhijjah. After finishing Mabit and touring Jumrah in Mina, the congregation headed to Makkah to carry out Tawaf Ifadah dan contention with Sa'i. 7. Wada Tawaf. Tawaf Wada is a series of Hajj pilgrims with main parallel where after all the Hajj rituals are completed. The congregation perform Tawaf Wada before finally leaving the city of Mecca to return to their respective countries. So, in carrying out the pilgrim, there are several series that must be present with a full sense of ceremony. Starting from Ihram to Tawaf Wada as our parallel before returning to our respective homes. Medina and Mecca are the two main cities that become the destination of pilgrims when performing Umrah and Hajj. In the two cities, there are many historical details that are usually visited by the congregation. Here are some historical cities in Medina and Mecca that you can visit when you go to the Holy Land. Medina is in fertile region Prophet Muhammad SAW made Medina al-Haram al-Halil after Mecca. Two of the activities of the city of Medina Medician and in the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad SAW is that the city will restore anyone who visit it. In Indeed, five will gather in Medina as snake gather into its nest, narrated by Bukhari. 1. Purpose the mosque. The purpose mosque was founded in the first years of Hijriah in the process of connotation. The Prophet Muhammad laid the first stone, meanwhile the second, third, fourth, and fifth stone was carried out by the companion of the Prophet, namely Abu Bakar as-Siddiq, Umar bin Khattab, Utsman bin Affan, and Ali bin Abi Thalib. At the time, the Qibla was killed facing Baitul Maqdis, Palestine, because good community had not yet come down to pass the Kaaba. In the location around the mosque was built where the family of the Prophet ﷺ. To the east of the Prophet Mosque, the house of Siti Aisyah was built, which later became the place where the Prophet Muhammad his two companions were buried. Inside the Prophet Mosque, there are statues that are the goals of the congregation, including Raudah and Masjid Nabawi. To Miqat Masjid. The Miqat Masjid or Masjidil Haram, Masjidil Haram is the masjid where the Prophet Muhammad and his companions took the Miqat of for Ihram. Al-Mori Miqat is also known as the Bir Ali Masjid and is mandatory destination for pilgrims to take. The Miqat Bir Ali Masjid is located in Julaifa, about 10 km from the Prophet Masjid. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.